Pause. Alright, I hope I'm playing. So, I have my vehicle in park. I have windows open. I have my brake in. My little engine light is on because I have my brake in. And I hit the button. And nothing is happening. See if I can get my indicators. I have the oil indicator. These indicators are on. Lower oil, engine coolant over temperature. See manual. I've been sitting here for quite a while though. So my seat went forward, and now I will press it again, and my seat is going back, and nothing is happening. Car is off now. I hit the brake and try it again. Nothing. The seat is moving forward, and I get these warnings again. And seat is moving back. So this is what is happening.